Hi, well this morning we're at Morrisons and we're having a look round the garden centre and what the Morrisons plants are selling this week. So, little plant shop, various items for outdoor items, compost, 3 for £12, lots of varieties. And then we start at the laurels, and these are like a bay tree, also known as laurel bay or sweet bay, £25. And then we got some cordylines. These are Torbay Dazzler, and these are £30. These are a great size. Look at the size of those, they're lovely. Then we come to some olive trees. These are £20, a nice selection. And then we got some jasmine, scented jasmine, and a pot of this will cost you £15. That's looking nice. Some more olive trees. Good selection. And then onto pansy hanging baskets. These are £6, various colours. £6 on the hanging baskets. Then we've got some climbers, evergreen shrub, honeysuckle, jasmine, pink and yellows, £3 or 3 for £2. More honeysuckles, and then we've got fuchsia pots, £1.50. We've got loads of these, loads of various types. Winston Churchill, Annabelle, loads of various colours, all £1.50, 3 for £2. Spiral conifers, £45. These looking good. And then fruit, raspberries, gooseberries, these are looking really fine for £7. We've got some climbers. Clematis, nice varieties, £7. Pinks, purples, yellows, whites. Lovely job. And then we've got a nice lots of colour in these pots. Then we're over to a lavender stand. These are standard lavenders. They're bursting out in bloom. And these are £25. So a good selection of those. And we've got lavender and pots. Spring French, £4. They're looking good too. And on to bedding plants. 3 for £2. Geraniums. Zonal geraniums, £3. Marigolds. Petunias. For a 6-pack, £3 or 3 for £2. And we go on to bigger trays. Lovely colour of marigolds. These are £5. More geraniums. Zonal geraniums. Lots of colour petunias. Different varieties, colours. And then we're on to grasses. So there's single pots of grasses, £6. Premium Hebe, £7. And then on single pots of geraniums, £3. Petunias, trailing petunia, £3. These are 3 for £2. Acer, £4, various types. Then we've got a window box, lovely colours for £10. They're looking really nice and colourful on the window box. We've got petunias, more bedding plants, geraniums, petunias, And we've got single pots of geraniums. Lots of choice, so much bedding in stock. Then we're on to azaleas. These are £10. Lovely looking rhododendron. Look at these are lovely. These are £10. And look at those. What a lovely statement are those. We've got some 6-pack a box. These are £7. And then some herbs. And then we go on to alpines. Various alpines. £3 a pot, or 2 for 3. There's quite a big selection of all these alpines. Good selection. More bedding plants, 3 for 2. Geraniums, pelargoniums, fuchsias, all various bedding plants. 3 for 2. And then we go round to the Phoenix palm. We've got 2 of these, £7. There's a video of me restoring our palm. And then you've got the bigger pots down the bottom. These are £15. They're looking really good. Need to get some more of those. Looking really good. Some more grasses. And then the last trolley, we go round to the roses. And we got roses for £5, whites, pinks, and then back to aces. £4 for aces, red, whites, various types. And then look at these little bloody tiny babies. These are lovely, lots of colour. Lilies, £3, garden lily. So much choice in this Morrisons store. This is why I like coming back to Morrisons. Back to rhododendron, £10. So much choice. And these are just hidden away, not been put on stock yet. So these are quite new delivery. More fuchsias, lovely. So check out all my videos of fuchsias that I bought in the past from Morrisons. We've got some fruit trees, £20. Good selection, apple, pear, and they're all coming out in blossom now already. They're looking really, really good. Check out some videos of how to plant your fruit trees in a pot. That'd be great. So, thanks for watching. And what have you chosen? Do you shop at Morrisons? That'd be great. Let me know in the comments. Check out this video here. Cheers!